was allow economic trend it contribute to go get gain to ali was a major force to make the economic growth they might reform resources really for resim in that do right do power can contribute to lao economic growth very much what is the lao economy projection in estimate I think it with while there sound interesting what is the hang of economic growth compared to other East Asia country is they what they Indonesia and China that the Lao economy have a clear future
ลงมาไว้ยักหยางนะ
here is that what are Chinin
ไฟจุนกไฟมากับยักหยาง
economic
สำนี
trade
คำเดียว
his main status in his sin year but they have our the good future
บ่ต้องกันหน้ากันนี้